Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be looking at Uniswap, UNI. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to the channel. If you like what I got to say, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button. And if you want to hear some more about what I got to say, go down and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. Also, I got some affiliate links down below. The one that I'm talking about most recently is the MEXC Global Exchange. They reached out to me and they're trying to get some more people in the United States to join their platform. So check it out. I'm not paid by them. It's just an affiliate link. And there are some bonuses of up to $9,000, which most of you probably won't get, just to be honest. Probably get about $50 to $150 worth of bonuses, depending on how much money you put in. So you deposit a certain amount of money, and then they give you a little bit of money back. So yeah, check it out. It's pretty cool. I'm in a long position right now on a specific coin. I'm not going to tell you which one. And just testing out their platform all week. If you've got something to say about their platform, please be honest down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you got to say. I don't know too much about their platform. I'm just learning. So if you have some experience, please let me know. Anyway, Uniswap on the daily time frame. No, let's move us out to the weekly time frame. So Uniswap was an airdrop that came out back in, when was that, 2020. And anybody who had used the Uniswap platform got airdropped this token at, started out at around $3. And then it had a drop and it came down to just under $2, about $1.78. And then it went on a big run. So if you held on to your Uniswap token that you got for free, from the bottom to the top was a 2450% move, whatever. And it went up to $42. Man, that's crazy. You get a free airdrop of a bunch of tokens at starting out at $3 and you make that kind of move. So pretty good, Uniswap. Like it. Got some things going on here that I actually am liking about the Uniswap price. So, but there's also some things that need to happen before I think anything else is going to happen here. So start off on the RSI. We had come down into the oversold area down here, and we tapped on the red, and we broke above the moving average here, the yellow line, and then we came down to retest it, and we had a good move, and that's what that move looked like right here. After we had that move, which, let me put a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom here, we got rejected on the 786 perfectly. Came back down, and the good news is we're holding support. So what I like about the Uniswap move here is from the bottom to the top, we are holding. So we had this big wick right here, but for the most part, we held the 618, and now we're just moving our way up. And we've got the 20 EMA coming up at the bottom of this red cloud. We got the 100 EMA, the top of the red cloud. But another thing that I notice is we had a trend line going on here. So going down, we had started to create this falling, broadening wedge, and we broke out of that, and then we came back down and retested it, and we held it as support so far, and we're continuing our climb to the upside. Now we do have a bit of resistance right about here, so we had gotten above it, but we do have a little bit more, so around $8.15. There is a bit of resistance there to pay attention to, and then we've got some big resistance coming in right around the $14, $15 level. You know, you can't really do that with a line. I'm going to use a box here. And pretty much this entire level right here, from $13.80 all the way up to about $17, you've got plenty of resistance coming in if we can get up there. First off, we got to break this resistance and our previous high right here around $9 and something cents. But also, what we're forming on the weekly time frame is a double bottom, which a lot of cryptos are forming right now. I don't know if you're paying attention to this, but a lot of them are getting higher highs here, or I'm sorry, higher lows here, which is a good sign for the crypto market. There's a lot of people really bearish out there. I'm kind of neutral right now. I'm more bullish than bearish, honestly, but I guess time will tell. We do have, I mean, Uniswap is up 9%, almost 10% right now on the day, which is pretty good. And if this double bottom were to play out as a W pattern, our price target for that would break us well above and get us right into this resistance right here, in this area right here, which is around the $25, $26 area. So that would be the price target of that breakout, but it's not going to go straight up. So you gotta, you know, we get up here, we find some resistance there, maybe we come back down a little bit, we break above, then we come back down and retest our, you know, our the middle of the W here, and we move up, get some resistance, and we finally make it up there, something like that. It's going to take a while. It's not going to be a straight line. A lot of people say when you get a price target, oh, it didn't reach a price target. Well, they said that 2 days after the video was made. You know, it takes time. I'm looking on a weekly time frame here. It's going to take months for this to play out, if it does. But good news is we got a great reversal coming here. We're holding that 618. We are holding support here, and we've got a fantastic weekly candle showing up right here, which is good. Let's go down to the, and actually, you know, we hit the 50 on the RSI, got rejected, finding support on the moving average, and if we can get above this 50, that's extremely bullish news in my opinion. Let's go down to the daily, just see if we got anything interesting going on here. So right now on the daily, it looks like we're probably going to get up to about 668, and we're hitting. And once we get up there, we're gonna end up hitting the 100 EMA. We did get rejected around the 100 EMA previously, so maybe this is the time that we break through. And so if we break through, we can come back down, find support, and then come up, and we would end up running into this 200 EMA right here. And probably, since it's the first time, well, I guess we hit it back here multiple times and got rejected. So, I mean, there is a chance that maybe we do break through that 200 EMA, and then we come back down and find some more support and continue on to the upside. These are obviously the most bullish scenarios. The bearish scenario is you come up to the 100 and get rejected, come back down to retest this line here again, and then, you know, that line doesn't hold. This is the bearish scenario. I'm going to go through really quick. That line doesn't hold. You dance around here, and you fall through, and the coin is worth nothing, going to zero, kind of thing. But I'm kind of on the mindset of a bullish scenario here. We do see some great things happening for a bullish scenario, at least a bullish scenario to get us up to around the $13 to $15 range. You know, who knows when? This year, possibly. I don't know. Maybe beginning of next year. I do see a big run coming towards the end of this year, I do believe. I don't know which coins are going to move and if it's actually going to happen, but I kind of think a big move is happening here coming towards the end of this year. We're above the 50 on the EMA right here. So I do expect some kind of resistance somewhere, because we broke through the 50 on the EMA. Possibly going to come back down to retest the 50, I would imagine. On the RSI, we formed on the daily. We did form a W pattern on the RSI here. So we had a lower low there. We had a higher low here. And we had the center here that we just broke through. So a possible, you know, come back to retest right there and then finally make our move. That is definitely possible. Something to pay attention to. So, I mean, we got the Fibonacci holding nicely. We've got a double bottom forming here. We just got to get above this 200 EMA on the daily. And we got a nice move coming. And, you know, Uniswap, if you've paid attention to Uniswap the last couple of months, anytime the market is green, Uniswap is usually the one of the coins leading. Not leading like 20-30%, but leading with good 10% moves here and there. And you can see that already. I mean, you just go back to the chart, and you know, in the last couple of months, you had the price moving up, you know, 10% here, 10% there, and we're up 10% again today, just about. So, I mean, it's pretty good. We're making some good moves. Do have some resistance coming up. Let's go down to the 4 hour, see if there's anything cooking down here. Let me open up my braid filter here, because it looks like, you know, we've got some nice moves coming here on the braid filter. So we had a green on the braid filter. We've got a higher green on the next 4 hour candle. The volume is doing okay. You can see that the volume is rising. So, I mean, the volume is pretty steady low over here, but now we're starting to pick it up, which is good. We did just break above the 200 EMA on the 4 hour, which is a good sign. We've been trying to do it back here. We got rejected on the 20 right here, rejected on the 100 here, rejected on the 200, and now we're coming up and we finally broke through. So it does look like we've got a decent move coming. Probably going to find some resistance right around the $6.81. I think I said that already. Probably find some more resistance around the 7.25, and then we'll finally get up to this point right up here where I do think we're going to get some resistance up here. I don't really see too much else happening here on the 4 hour. I mean, I guess you could consider that this was a head and shoulders. You got the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. And if that was the case, we're looking at a nice move up. We haven't reached our price target yet. So yeah, look at that. Our price target put us right around the $7 level, right around $6.80 to $7, which is what I was saying. That it looks like we're headed to. So kind of looks like that inverse head and shoulders might be playing out, putting us right at that price target. Anyway, that's what I got for Uniswap. It looks pretty strong in my opinion, one of the stronger coins. Pay attention to it, see if you can get a good entry. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, just a dude on his computer. Talk to you later.